In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the little save icon up at the top. You can also tap the Control and S key combination on your keyboard to save it as well. And if you've never saved it before, you'll have to select the location to save it on your computer or an external drive or even OneDrive. If you select this PC, you can save it to desktop or documents, whatever your preference may be. You have to give it a name and then select save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.